applies on the daily time frame. So step 2 is find a bunch of candles that are equal to each other in size and in a range. And step 3 is use a rectangle tool and then box that off equally. Next step is identify where it came from. As this one came from a bearish move. This is how you find a target. Take this box, times it by 3, and that will be your target. And that's my target over there. And watch how it plays out. And we're in, and here we go. And it seems as if the market is so close to take a profit. What I do identify is there's another one over here, exact same as this, so let's box it off. And now that we have another box, I'm going to take this one and times it by 3 so I can add on, increase my profits. Let's see what happens. And we can see we're in profits, and what happened is market is currently right here, and this is EURUSD. Can we go all the way down? Let's see. If you're looking for free information on Forex and how to trade, I have a free Telegram group. The link is in my bio. And you want to trade this market, right? I have a broker that allows minimum deposit. The link is in my bio.